Hi, welcome back. I was having some difficulties with the audio. I really hope it works right now. Let's see. Let me start. Okay. Welcome back. When someone does you wrong by attempting to flirt with you, you are not interested and he puckers up from a distance. What is the best response? Don't think of that person after a concrete complaint with a responsible. Focus on your higher self. The closer you are to his presence, the better the justice. For example, I was sharing a room with another business owner. I was working on my business. He was working on his business. At some point, he got flirtatious with me with an inappropriate tongue lick from a distance. I could not continue feeling safe in my shared office, so I made a complaint. The front desk responsible heard my upset words. I don't think they did. I don't know if they did anything. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. All I know is after my absence from my office due to the discomfort caused by the harasser, the man was no longer present. I have a close relationship with Allah, universe, God, Buddha, etc. Surely he caused the man to feel bad and move away from me. The same is the case with a family member who is abusive with me, who stopped talking to me and asked me to not to speak with him. There is a visible holy energy in the air, and that perhaps I see it. Maybe other people don't. I don't think others do, that perhaps discourages his presence from being close to me. I feel at peace in my home now and as an awakened, aware, higher self focused being. Next topic. So much wisdom to share with you. So much. Your conscious mind is getting removed and the subconscious is becoming powerful. The fact that you are here is sufficient proof you could not be in a transformation if you did not find this video. And last point is don't search for entertaining thoughts like, oh, I need to be entertained all the time. That's common with the social media crave everyone has, majority of the people have, which is not beneficial. So you should rather focus on your higher self, your divine. Okay, thank you. I really hope it works this time. Let me see.